Stop. If someone at your job became 40% more productive than you overnight, how long before your income starts falling behind? Because this isn't theoretical anymore. According to McKinsey & Company, workers using AI are increasing productivity by up to 40%. Not a small improvement, a different category of performance. Now, really think about what that means. If someone next to you becomes faster, sharper, more efficient, you're not competing anymore. You're being compared. And comparison is what determines income. Because most people misunderstand where money actually comes from. They think, work harder, earn more. But in reality, become more valuable, earn more. And value right now is changing. At companies integrating AI from Microsoft and Google, a small group of employees are already producing 2 to 3 times more output than everyone else. Same hours, same job, different results. Let that sink in. Because if someone can produce twice your output, why should they be paid the same as you? This is where it starts to feel uncomfortable. You're not competing with AI. You're competing with someone who already knows how to use it. And that person is not special. They didn't go back to school. They didn't suddenly become smarter. They didn't get lucky. They just adapted faster than you. Sit with that for a second, because adaptation speed is now tied to income. Something has changed, quietly. We've moved from a world where effort mattered most to a world where leverage decides everything. Before, more hours meant more money. Now, better tools mean more money. And AI is the fastest shift in tools we've seen in a long time. Now, think about what happens over time. Not 1 week, not 1 month, a year. Someone who consistently uses tools like ChatGPT doesn't just work faster. They start thinking differently. They solve problems quicker. They make decisions faster. They execute without hesitation. And this is where the gap becomes dangerous, because it stops being obvious. At first, it's small, easy to ignore, but then something changes. They start getting noticed, not because they're trying to stand out, but because their results do. Because companies don't reward effort, they reward outcomes, and outcomes are now being amplified. Research from Stanford University and MIT shows that people who adopt AI early are more likely to get promoted, get better evaluations, be seen as high-value employees. That's not motivation, that's reality. Now, bring it back to money. Better evaluations lead to raises. Promotions lead to income jumps. Visibility creates opportunities. Meanwhile, someone who ignores AI keeps working hard, keeps showing up, keeps doing what used to work. But here's the problem. What used to work isn't enough anymore. Because this is how people start losing money without realizing it. Not by failing, by staying the same. Picture it. 2 people start at the same salary. Year 1, one improves slightly. The other doesn't. You barely notice it. Year 2, one moves ahead, the other stays. Now it's visible. Year 3, one is earning more, the other is trying to catch up. Now it's a gap. Because this is how financial separation actually happens. Not in one big moment, but through small advantages that compound over time. And advantage always compounds, just like money. Let's go deeper. Most people think AI is about doing things faster. That's surface level. The real advantage is speed of thinking. People using AI make decisions faster, test ideas quicker, adjust instantly. And in a fast-moving world, speed wins. Every time. If you can learn faster, move faster, improve faster, you don't just grow, you accelerate. And acceleration is what creates financial gaps. There are people in your field right now quietly becoming more valuable than you. Not louder, not more talented, just more efficient. And they're not announcing it, they're just moving ahead, while you're deciding when to start. Let that sit, because this isn't fear, it's awareness, and awareness is what gives you leverage. Now, ask yourself honestly, if nothing about how you work changes, what happens next? Do you naturally earn more, or do you stay where you are while everything around you moves forward? Standing still is no longer safe. It's expensive. AI is not replacing effort. It's replacing inefficiency. And if your workflow is inefficient, you are exposed. Not because you're bad at your job, but because someone else can now do it better, faster. And that's all the system cares about. Because in the end, this isn't about technology. It's about who becomes more valuable in a world that rewards speed, leverage, and output. And if you really think about it, this isn't happening to people out there. It's happening to people like you, right now. And the truth is, you won't see the moment it starts. You'll just wake up one day and realize you've been standing still while someone else kept moving. And by then, the gap already exists. AI won't replace you, but someone who understands it better than you already is.